These five countries make up almost all of US tourism. Number 5, China. China, officially the Republic of China, is a country in East Asia. It is the world's most populous country with a population of around 1.4 billion in 2019. In 2018, almost 2.8 million Chinese visit United States, and 2019 3.1 million Chinese people visiting the United States. It's really large amount of numbers. And most busiest month, July 2019, with 383,000 people. Number 4, Japan. Japan is an island country in East Asia and located in the northwest Pacific Ocean. It borders the Sea of Japan to the west, and it extends from the Sea of Okhotsk in the north to East China and Sea and Taiwan in the south. States in 2018, almost 3.5 million Japanese people visiting United States, and in 2019 almost 3.52 million people from Japan visit United States for tourism purpose. Most busiest month, August 2019, with 384,000 people. Number 3, UK, United Kingdom. The United Kingdom, made up of England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, is an island nation in northwestern Europe. England, birthplace of Shakespeare and Beatles, is home to the capital London, a globally influential center of finance and culture. Everyone knows UK passport is one of the most strongest passport in the world. That's why UK people don't need to any visa and any document to visiting United States. In 2018, 4.4 million people from UK to visit United States, and 2019. And in 2019, 4.9 million people from UK visiting United States for tourism purpose. And most busiest month, October 2019, with 564,000 people. Number 2, Mexico. Mexico, officially the United Mexican States, is a country in the southern portion of North America. It is bordered to the north by the United States, to the south and west by the Pacific Ocean, to the southeast by Guatemala, Belize and the Caribbean Sea, and to the east by the Gulf of Mexico. Mexico shares the border with United States. In 2018, almost 80.5 million people from Mexico visit United States, and in 2019, almost 70 million people from Mexico visiting United States. That's really huge numbers. Most busiest month, December 2018, with 1.9 million visitors. Number 1, Canada. Canada is a country in the north part of North America. It's 10 provinces and 3 territories extended from the Atlantic to the Pacific and northward into the Arctic Ocean. Canada also one of the countries who share border with United States. In 2018, 21 million Canadian visiting United States, and in 2019, 20.5 million people from Canada visiting United States for tourism purpose. And most busiest month, August 2018, with 2.4 million visitors. Guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with all of your friends, and please subscribe the Mr. USA.